this video, we're going to demonstrate on how to do a peer-to-peer connection using improvised server rack. Let's get started!
First, we will show you our materials, our improvised server rack. Here it is. Here are the cables that we're going to use. The patch panel, the modular box. Also, we're going to use the wire stripper, then the wall plate of the modular box. First, we will start our patch panel. We're going to punch it. We will do the port 1. Starting on the left side. The color of the wire will be white, blue, blue, then white, green, then green, then white, orange, then orange, and white, brown, and brown. Then we will going to punch it using our stripper because on the end of it, it can be used for punching it. Then we are already done with the port 1 of the patch panel. We're also done punching at the back of the patch panel. Then we will do next is the port 2 at the back of the patch panel. We'll do the same process. Also the same color starting from the left pin. First color of the wire is white blue, then blue, white green, then green, white orange, orange, white brown, and brown. we will use the wire stripper, the end of the wire stripper as the punch down tool to secure the wires or to pin the wires on the back of the patch panel. Then after punching it, we are already done with it. With the two ports, the port 1 and the port 2. At this point, we are arranging the wires to be connected on the modular box or called as the modular jack. We need to arrange the wires first, just like doing our straight through cable or our crossover cable. We will do the first modular jack or the modular box. We will arrange it according to the color coding on the side of the modular box. It is white, blue, blue, white, green, green. Then on the other side is white, orange, orange, white, brown, and brown. And we will use again the wire stripper to punch it down. Then we will do again the same process to the other modular box or the modular jack. We have two modular box. we need to punch down. And we already created the two of it. Now we're going to arrange it on our improvised server rack. We must arrange the wires so it will be clean, so the wires will not be tangled. here's our improvised server rack. And we will start establishing our peer-to-peer connection. Here we're going to create a workgroup name for the server laptop. Type on the search box control panel, click control panel, then click system and security. Click the system. Click the advanced system setting. Go to computer name tab. Create any computer description. We created a computer description here as laptop server. After, click change. Change the work group name as BSIT. Click OK. Says welcome to BSIT work group. It says that the computer must be restarted to apply the changes. Click apply. We choose to restart it later. First, we're going to establish the physical connection of a straight-through cable through the modular box. Insert it in the LAN port to the LAN port of the laptop. Make sure that the cables are properly inserted to establish a working connection. And let's establish the network. Click on the network icon, then click network and internet settings. Click change adapter options. Right-click the Ethernet, click Properties, uncheck the Internet Protocol version 6, then highlight the Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties, choose use the following IP address. We use a static IP address, a Class C IP address. We establish an IP address 192.168.1.1. That is our IP address for our server. Then subnet mask, it's default. Our default gateway is 192.168.1.2. Click OK. Then close. This time we're going to check if the network can share. Click Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Advanced System Setting. Now we are in the sharing options. In private, we expand it. We turn on network discovery. Turn on file and printer sharing. Then in guest or public, we turn on the network and discovery. Also turn on file and printer sharing. Then on all networks, turn on sharing systems. We turn off the protected sharing. Then click Save Changes. Close. And we will move on to the client laptop. We will establish first the workgroup name, then the physical connection, the network, and then the sharing option. Click on Windows icon, then click or type Control Panel, then click on System and Security. Click the Advanced System Setting, then click on Computer Name tab, then type any computer description. We type a computer description as laptop client. In this part, we're doing the client laptop. Click Change. We change the computer name also as laptop client. Then we create the workgroup name as BSIT. Then click OK. After clicking OK, it shows Welcome to BSIT Workgroup. Then click OK again. Click OK. Then click Apply to apply the changes, then close. Then it will show two options if we will restart it now or restart it later. We choose to restart it later. Still we're on the client laptop. To establish the physical connection, we connect the straight through cable to the modular box. Right click the network icon. Then we open the network settings. Then click the change adapter settings. Then click the local area connection. Double click. Then we're going to uncheck the Internet Protocol version 6. Then we highlighted the Internet Protocol version 4. Click the properties and we're going to choose the following IP address. We also use a static IP address for our client, also a class C. Our IP address is 192.168.1.2. Then our subnet mask is also default. Our default gateway for our client is 192.168.1.1. Then we click OK. Again, we click OK to close it. Just go back to the Network and Internet tab. To establish our sharing options, click the Network and Sharing Center and click the Change Advanced System Settings. Going to turn on the network discovery, turn on the file and printer sharing of the public network, also the private. The home or work, the network discovery will turn on the network discovery and file and printer sharing. In public folder sharing, we turn on sharing so anyone can access the network. Then file sharing connection will be default and we will turn off the password protected sharing. So there will be no password on the shared folder. Then after we will click save changes to save it. And here's our LAN cable connected to the modular box coming from both laptop, the client, then the other one is the server laptop. Then we're going to check if the two laptop has a connection. On the server laptop, we will search on the search box CMD or the command prompt. Click the command prompt. We'll type ipconfig and enter. Then type ping space 192.168.1.2 our client to check if we have connection to our client laptop. Then it replies. We move on to our client laptop. We'll do the same. Type CMD in the search box, click the command prompt, type ipconfig, then enter. After, type ping space the IP address of our server 192.168.1.1. Then enter. It replies, so we have established a good connection to our client and server. Now we're going to create a folder that we're going to share on both laptops. We're on the server. Right click on the desktop, click new, and select folder. Then rename our new folder and we name it as a file sharing folder. Now we're going to open our created folder named file sharing. We're going to add a document to be shared on the client. We name it as example. Then we close it. Our created folder, right click, then click properties, click the sharing tab, click share, then expand and choose everyone. Click add. Then the permission level would be read or write. Then click share. Then click done. On the advanced settings of the sharing tab, click share this folder. Click the permission. Check the change and full control so we can change and write. Click apply, then OK, then click apply again, the advanced sharing, and OK, then close. It's done. Also, we will create a folder on our client. Right click on desktop, click new folder, rename our folder as file sharing, and open first our folder, and we're going to add a document. Click new, choose text document and we'll name it also as example. Then we will close our folder. File sharing folder, right click, click the properties, click the sharing tab, click share, expand, and choose everyone, click add, and click everyone. The permission will be read or write. Then click share, then click done. And click on the advanced sharing. Share this folder, check it. Click the permission. Check to allow the full control and change. Click apply. Then OK. Apply again and OK. Then click close. It's done. First, we will check on our server laptop the client PC. It's named as a user PC. Open the user PC. That's our client again. Then click the file sharing. Inside our file sharing folder, have the shared document coming from our client. We go onto the client laptop. We will check if the laptop server can share the file. We'll do the same. We open the file sharing and it shares also a document.
Ikaw una.
Di ko hirap. Ang hirap magsimula kung ano po dahil.
Wait lang!